Howdy folks, and welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. Today we're going to be making restaurant style buffalo sauce for all your wings and things. This is so easy you're not going to believe it. You may never order takeout wings again. All you need is 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of your favorite hot sauce and a little pepper and garlic powder. That's it. And we're just going to melt those together. Okay, just put your butter in your pan and add your hot sauce and use whatever hot sauce you want. Now, I'm going to tell you this. Look at the Dollar Tree for hot sauces because they get in name brand hot sauces all the time for $1.25. Even stuff like this Trinidad Scorpion hot sauce, which I don't think I got this one at the dollar store. I'm going to be totally honest. I think I got this one at an outlet grocery store for $1. And this is Louisiana's Pure Crystal hot sauce since 1873, has aged cayenne pepper in it, you know, so that was the Dollar Tree. I got it yesterday. You'll save a fortune doing that. And we're going to make you a whole bunch of party appetizers for way less than what you could get 8 wings at a pizza place for. If you're planning a big Super Bowl party or doing a game day party, or maybe you're having a big birthday party or even a 4th of July party or something and you're looking for some appetizers, whatever it is, you can make this and, you know, for next to nothing, you can feed a whole lot of people. Just go ahead and add your hot sauce in there with your butter and just a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper. It's just kind of to taste. You're going to have plenty of flavor already, of course, in the hot sauce. And if you go with the hotter stuff, you're going to have even more flavor. Don't let it burn, but you do want to heat it until your butter melts and it's well incorporated. Now, you know that greasy stuff you get all over your fingers when you get hot wings somewhere? It's the butter in there. Now, if you are ordering this from one of those chain pizza places, I just about guarantee you're getting margarine or oil in there. And you're going to like this way better. And like I said, it's so easy. You literally just heat it till the butter melts. And then you're ready to either dip your chicken in it or you're ready to toss your chicken in it. Whatever. Okay, that's it. Buffalo sauce done. Cut the heat off, take it off the heat. I mean, look at that. It's well incorporated. It has a much better color than most of that stuff you get in the chain places. Now, I know there are some small town restaurants that cook everything by hand, but most of them don't. And most of them also use frozen chicken, and they're just dumping it in a fryer and heating it up, or sticking it in the oven and heating it up, and then that's what you're getting. Now, if you are planning a big party, go to the freezer section and you can get frozen wings that are already cooked. You can make your wings from scratch, but you're looking at a couple of hours. And this will actually do about 10 wings. So if you're going to be doing a great big batch, you want to do a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of the hot sauce. But for, you know, snacking on a movie night or something, if you're not doing a big party, this is plenty for 10, 12 wings, something like that. But you're doing a big party, save yourself a ton of money. For less than what you would get 8 chicken wings at a chain pizza place, you can do a bunch of appetizers. Go to the freezer section and get you some chicken. Whether you do chicken strips, you know, that are breaded, or you do the small ones. If you're going to have a whole lot of people, I would do the small ones, the nugget ones, but get something decent. You can sprinkle some cayenne pepper or some red pepper flakes or something on them before you bake them to spice them up a little bit. And sometimes you can even find these in spicy flavors. But all you do is stick them in the oven and then put them in your hot sauce, or sit out ranch and hot sauce and maybe some sweet and sour sauce, and people can dip them in whatever kind of sauce they want. But anyway, save a fortune on your next party. Do them at home. That's all the time it takes. And I've got just a few pieces of the chicken here that I put in the oven and baked. It takes about 15 minutes to bake it. No big deal. Just get it started before you make your sauce. Otherwise, your sauce is going to be cold. And I'm going to pour a little bit of this out because I didn't do a whole lot of chicken. But if you want to drizzle it, you can drizzle it. If you want to put it in the pan and toss it, you can put it in the pan and toss it. And we're going to do some of it both ways so you kind of see how it looks. And I did sprinkle some hot pepper flakes on these before I baked them so that they would be a little bit spicier. But, you know, tossed it looks like that. But the buffalo sauce is so easy to make. And it's going to taste better, like I said, than the chains. So if you're doing a great big Super Bowl party this weekend and you're having people over and you're kind of trying to feed everybody on a budget, do small pieces, make your sauce at home, and just serve it with some ranch. And look at how pretty that is. I mean, whether you toss it, whether you dip it, whatever, have a little extra on there. If you were going to do that whole bag of chicken that I had, you would want to double this. But for the same amount of money, like I said, is you can get 8 chicken wings at a chain place for, you can do that whole big bag of chicken and making plenty enough sauce to cover it. And people are going to have a lot more to eat, and they're going to be a lot happier because they're not hungry. And if you're doing a big party, you don't want hungry people there. Try this at home, save yourself some money, and like I said, it's much better, and you can use your favorite hot sauce. So you're never going to get a wing that you don't like again. And if you want to do the regular bone-in wings, you can take time to do that. It does take a little bit more time to bread those and fry them, of course. And this is so easy. But you can also get wings that are already cooked in the freezer section, and you can do regular wings in the oven like I just did. Super easy and inexpensive and absolutely delicious. Before we go, there's something exciting I want to tell you about. This Valentine's Day, February the 14th, 2024, is a very special day for the Hillbilly Kitchen. And we're going to be doing a live stream. I'm not sure what time yet. I'm going to post a poll to see when the most people can join us. But we want to include you in this. So go let us know when you can be there. I'm going to get that poll posted. And the poll will be up before the video is up. And please try to join us for that live stream because it is a special day for us and we want you to be a part of it. And I want to leave you with 1 John 4:7. Beloved, let us love one another, for love is of God, and everyone that loveth is born of God and knoweth God. Whatever party you're having, make sure you share God's love. Love other people so that they can come to know God the way that you do. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. Share our videos with your friends. And until next time, remember to put God first.